Hello friends. Welcome AA Top Auto. Like, share, comment. Do not forget, subscribe. In this video I will review 2019 Audi RS5 Sportback. And also something new from the 2019 Audi RS5 Sportback. Okay guys, we just go ahead. The 2019 Audi RS5 Sportback out of the blue, an event that is more eminent than it may appear. The RS5 Sportback is the best level partner to the execution situated S5 Sportback, $55,375, and the milder A5 Sportback, $43,575. Underscoring its familial relationship to the 2019 RS5 Roadster, the Sportback shares the model's $76,190 beginning cost higher than the 2018's, however with more standard gear. Yet, the Sportback's convenience factor is essentially higher than the coupe's. With a 2.3-inch longer wheelbase and a rooftop that sits 1.1 inches higher, the progressions produced using a column back change it into a totally more functional suggestion. Gone are the confined back seats, supplanted with roomier facilities that convey 2.4 inches more prominent legroom, 0.9 inches more headroom, and 21.8 cubic feet of freight limit, almost twofold that of the Roadster. Overlap the seats down, and you get a reduced hybrid like 35 cubic feet of stowage. The cost of the more open bundling: 88 pounds of additional mass in a 3.8 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time, a tenth of a second behind the car. The Sportback's 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 produces the same 444 pull and 443 pound-feet of torque as the Roadster, yet a greater amount of the plant's low recurrence notes advance into the lodge because of the open tail segment. Set the drive mode to dynamic, and the sound symposer, which comprises of a stomach that transmits vibrations through the windshield, makes a persuading, yet now and again as well boomy, bass note all through the cockpit. Gone are the times of Audi's deliciously vibrant RS V8s, and there's no uncertainty the contemporary elective sounds somewhat two-dimensional in examination. Yet, the advantage of present-day turbocharging is torque, particularly a stunning level that stretches the distance from an unimportant 1,900 to 5,000 RPM, and obviously the enhanced fuel effectiveness of constrained acceptance. The Sportback dispatches ahead with solid, dramatization-free speeding up. The Quattro all-wheel drive framework, which defaults to a 40/60th torque split, can predisposition as much as 85% of torque to the back, pushing the 2-ton hatchback forward with negligible wheel spin. My Auto's Hankook Ventus S1 Evo 2 Elastic took care of longitudinal powers well, swaying forward with nary a challenge as the 275mm elastic snared with the decent, warm asphalt beneath. Now that was part of the important part of each of the advantages of the car that was summarized by AA Top Auto. Thank you for watching. Keep up with the latest and hottest videos from AA Top Auto.